What's unique about our department is that we're offering options to people who have given up, who have stopped looking. And I think these people are kind of in the background. They're unaware that there's treatment options for them, and we are providing that.
A unique aspect of clinical trials in psychiatry is the interaction with the patients. People with mental illness, their lives are very much derailed by their illness, and not only are we trialling a treatment that can help them, but their involvement in the research process and the clinical trial process is a very positive force in their life.
I think a unique aspect of our clinical trials is the focus on the quality and safety of patient care. About 11 million patients are admitted to hospitals every year, and about 10% of those patients actually suffer an adverse event that is unrelated to the reason why they're admitted to hospitals. So our trials focus on allowing patients to have a safer experience, have a quality experience, and go home sooner.
We have lots of different trials from headaches, pain, dementia, movement disorders, all of which have a different set of challenges. I like the aspect of hope that clinical trials brings. The neurology patients that come to us, they often are quite hopeful for the future, and it's really special to go on that journey with them.
The thing that I like the most about working in clinical trials is probably getting exposed to new medications that could improve patients' lives. It's rewarding to meet with patients and their families and develop a relationship with them and follow them on their journeys. And that's even better when the medications actually are doing its job as well. Occasionally at the Alfred we get the opportunity to dose someone for the first time in the world, which can be quite nerve-wracking, but also it's very exciting.
Here at Medical Oncology Clinical Trials, we're able to work in a lot of phase 1 and a lot of first-in-world clinical trials, so it's really exciting to see new treatments come in and being able to offer that into patients.
As an occupational therapist on the wards, I very much enjoyed my role. I did enjoy working with individual clients and seeing them go through their rehab programs. But as a trialist, I get to have, I think, a greater purpose, this sense that the evidence that I'm developing can be used not just at Alfred Health, not just here in Australia, but internationally to guide what is the interventions that should be being given at what time to what patients. And for me, it's that purpose that I really enjoy. Internationally, people might look at this sort of work we're doing here at Alfred and think that that trial can't be done. You couldn't possibly randomise people to that sort of an intervention. But because they've been so carefully designed in partnership with both clinicians and with patients, that has been possible to sort of see the fruition of trials in occupational therapy.
The one that I think I'm most proud of is called the Atticus trial. That's an acronym for aspirin and tranexamic acid in patients undergoing coronary artery surgery. What was meant to be a 5 or 6 year period to enrol 4,500 patients took us closer to 10 years. The end result was 2 major publications in the New England Journal of Medicine, which is considered one of the premier medical journals. And those results have really changed practice around the world.
The purpose of respiratory clinical trials most of the times is to look into how can patients manage better their condition. So we're always working to give them better quality of life, giving them better management of their disease, what type of information they need to understand better their disease, and what other therapies can we choose, and what other drugs can we improve for them to live better. I think that summarizes everything that our respiratory team does at the Alfred.
We've got a large team. The core and the heart of it really are the research coordinators. We've got about 10 research coordinators in our department, and many have been long-serving. The way that they come together and work hard, and that was no better exemplified than in COVID, where we got extremely busy. That sort of ability for those people to work together and work hard in difficult circumstances is extremely impressive, and I'm very proud of that and very appreciative of the opportunity to work with those people.